Hey, what's going on everybody, and welcome back to the video. This is going to be part 3 of the YZ85 series, and today we got a whole bunch of new parts. So we're inside the shed again right now. Got the 450 back here, needs a little bit cleaned up. Got the brand new 250 two-stroke right here, and back here we still have the YZ85. And of course, we ended up getting some new plastics for that. All right guys, so without further ado, we're going to go over every single part that we got in the mail and kind of why we got those. So first thing here, just some simple stuff. Brand new air filter, run a little bit cheaper. Got a no toil air filter already pre-oiled. We're probably gonna oil that a little bit more before we put that in. But this is gonna be like one of the last steps that we do. Of course, new spark plug. We only have one spark plug with it. Actually, this is the one for my bike. My bad. This one is a BR10 EG. The one I just pulled out is BR8 EG. It's for the 250. But yeah, if you guys have a YZ85, this is the spark plug that's OEM for the bike, and I would probably just stick with that. Got a brand new brake lever. This was OEM style replacement, just silver from Motion Pro. One of the cheaper ones, but that's the one that he wanted, was a silver one to match. And we got a new throttle tube here because the other one was busted. We're gonna be throwing in this vent hose for the gas cap and some new radiator hoses. Might as well do that kind of stuff since we already did the carb hoses. Some grip donuts. Our grips from ODI still aren't in. I guess they're out of the gray ODI half waffle grips. Those are pretty popular. And I wanted them for my bike too, but what are you gonna do? Just some small things like safety wire for the grip. And then we ended up getting a body bolt kit for the YZ85, just because, you know, when we were taking off plastics and the seat and everything, I noticed that quite a few bolts were missing from the bike. So went ahead and got this. They're 15 bucks on Amazon or eBay. Your local Yamaha dealer probably has these as well. They usually do. Ended up getting these on eBay. It's an OEM part that goes on the swing arm. These are the chain pullers. A little bit different than big bikes. These mini bikes have these things that go inside the swing arm. These are the chain pullers. So they look a little bit different and work a little bit different than the ones on big bikes. So we didn't have them previously, and I was wondering why the wheel wasn't matching up, and it kind of looked like we were missing something. So if that happens to you guys when you're doing a rebuild, always just go on to either Rocky Mountain or Motorsport and punch in your bike's specifications, the year, the model number, and everything, and then just look at your OEM diagram of it, and you'll see if you guys are missing parts or not. And obviously, I checked that out and realized that we were missing this. Okay guys, one thing that we forgot to mention as far as the new parts, we ended up getting these Footpegs too. So these are pretty cheap, not name brand or anything. Motorsport and some other sites have some really expensive Footpegs. These ones we just got on Amazon. I think it's a big bike Footpeg size, but this will do just fine. Why not give it a shot? Plus it has the screw-in little pegs on there that you can replace. So I thought that was really neat, and plus it's a really cool color. And then another thing guys, of course we got the plastics. We forgot to talk about those a little bit. Got a brand new front fender here. Just leaving it in the package for now until we're ready to get it. And then also the rear fender. So these are in Reflex Blue, which is Yamaha's kind of newish color. It's got a little bit of a purple tint to it, and they look pretty sweet. It's not gonna match up the gas tank too well, but hopefully you know, it works once we get graphics and stuff on there. All right guys, so back in the shed. Still can't get this foot peg off. Looks like I have no other choice but to remove the clutch cover since it's in the way here. Tried to look some stuff up on some forums, and I honestly couldn't even find anything. A lot of the people that were taking the Footpegs off already had the motor out anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I don't think a bunch of oil and everything's gonna come out. It shouldn't, and hopefully we can get this off.
This is pretty cool, guys. This is the factory sticker still on here underneath that graphic.